Melody, and today I'm going to take you with me down memory lane as we share an old-time Bajan treat made with green mangoes. Today we're going to be making pickled green mangoes. Now, as a child, many children in my neighborhood would always find ourselves by the mango tree picking mangoes all day. What we often did would be to eat the ripe mangoes as is. Delicious, sweet, juicy. I could go on and on. But the green mangoes, we would also pick them. What we would do, we would add salt and pepper and all kinds of stuff that we didn't know at the time we were making a delicious treat. Today I'm going to share with you exactly how we did it many years ago to make our green mangoes just as delicious as our ripe ones. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 2 firm green mangoes, half tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a little bit of water. Our first step is to prepare our mangoes. So remember, they're going to be green, so it's going to be a little tough to cut. So we're going to cut the 2 sides. Then we're going to cube them. We're not going to remove all of the skin. We're going to remove the skin for some of them, but we're going to keep some of the skin on. We're going to form 2. We're going to cube our mangoes. Then we'll go on to the next step. Now that our mango cubes are finished, I'll set that aside. Now we're going to prepare our slight pickle. So I'm going to add just a little bit of water to our sugar. Now remember, because the mangoes are not fully ripe, they're not going to be as sweet. So we're going to add a little bit of water to make a very slight syrup. Then we're going to add the heat. So we're going to add our cayenne pepper, black pepper, and some salt. We absolutely loved doing this. Sometimes we just took the ingredients and just threw them straight onto the mango as we ate it. It's such a treat. Now we're going to take this and we're going to pour it all over the mango. Old-time Bajan treat. Once we allow it to marinate for a few minutes, it's time to taste. It looks gorgeous. It smells so good. Now let's taste. An absolute favorite for children. Hot and spicy. A favorite with children. Pickled green mangoes. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this pickled mango recipe, I want you to look over here or see some of my other mango recipes. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, or press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.